So let's go into details a little bit on functions because it extends capability of Excel a lot. So we've looked at three basic things: sum product, and average. They are mostly common use. Look at the sum. So remember when you have a discounted cash flow, look at the B5, the present value. Just add up B4, C4, D4, and E4. But basically, you can say it's a continuous range. You can say I sum of everything inside that range. And in Excel range will be you just put the first cell and the end cell, and you get a column there. Then we give you the answer. So let's go back to the Excel spreadsheet. So remember here we add up 4 different numbers, but instead of 4 different numbers, you can just say sum of, click B4 and drag to E4 and give you the same answer. That's how you can use the sum function. Look at other functions, say SumProduct. So look at this, we want to calculate the return of portfolio. So suppose there's a 4 stock A, B, C, D, and each stock return is given by the column B, and the portfolio weight, 40% of the money invest in A, B and C and D, right? Then you want to calculate total return. And the simplest thing to do, maybe you want to calculate the return for stock A and stock B and stock C add together. Maybe you want a column that multiply B2 and C2, B3 and C3, and B4 and C4, and B5 and C5, add them up, then give you D. But the easiest thing is you can do SumProduct. You just SumProduct of the first column against the second column, then you will multiply element from each list and then add them all up. So to illustrate in Excel, so here we have 4 different, the same as you see here. So what you will do is you will say SumProduct of first column and the second column, okay? And when you have that, then you have this return. Alternatively, you can calculate the return each by each, maybe just B times column C, okay? Make it bigger. And then I do the same for the rest, okay? And then I just do the sum of them, okay? It also give me the same answer as we can see. This percentage, if I want to do it right, I can change the number to percentage. I'll do it. You can see number here. I have a percentage sign, change the percentage, and there's 12%. Because I want more decimal places, I use this one to show more decimal places. Okay, so it will give the same answer. This is how what the SumProduct is being used. Another application is look at the revenue, right? Price and quantity, and you can you can imagine there are different product, right? Product A, B, C, D. Different products sell different quantity, and there's revenue from each product, and some of this product, some of the revenue each product, the same as you do the SumProduct. So this is the same idea how you do SumProduct. And the next is look at the average. So how to average is a SMA is a simple moving average. So I have a price, right? And the moving average of 5 days is look at today and previous 4 days up to 5 days, and then look at the average price, and then you move down and you move down the price. So this is how calculate the SMA. So let's see. So look at the column C, right? This is the price I generate from a random number, doesn't really matter. So how you calculate SMA is do the average, okay, of the first 5-day price, okay, basic, okay, and then you just break it down. Then this will give you the average of the Friday price. This is how you calculate SMA prices. Let's take a look at moving along, right? Look at the past 5 days. And the other thing is look at the EMA rule. Remember, EMA is first one is SMA. The formula is, and the second one is second EMA will be based on current day EM price and yesterday EMA, and you multiply by the beta and 1 minus beta respectively, and beta is 2 over n plus 1. If n equal to 5, then it's 2 over n plus 1. So how we do it, let's see how we can execute this. The first thing to do is have a beta, because 5 day, then we have 2 over 5 plus 1. Okay, this is a beta. Then we want to define the beta, right? Because this is beta often used. So how do we do that? We define name here, but I think we have defined it, so let's erase the original one. So let's do it again. Let's define beta. Okay, call back beta and click OK. And then remember, the first EMA is first SMA is equal to first EMA is equal to the first SMA. We can do average again of the last 5 days, B3 to B7. Okay, and then what you're going to do is the beta, okay, times today's price, okay, which is B8 plus 1 minus beta times yesterday EMA. So let's go back, become B7. So this is the result, and then you just drag this all down. So this gives you the EMA. So I hope now you understand how some product and average can be used in Excel, and they are frequently used. Thank you for listening.